back, everybody. Out here on a construction site that had some pretty old activity on it for a short hunt. I have a good target here. I'll show you what it is. Alright, so I was getting a solid 13. Found this little tiny ring here. Has a little blue stone in it. Camera focuses here. Little blue stone. Looks like it had some gold gilt. Not sure how far this dates back. I did find an arrowhead on this site. I'll include some pictures in the... Alright, back here with another find. Let's see if we can locate it. Oh. We have here let's see what we got. Looks to be a weedy. $1 1918. All right, put this in the bag. Get back to you in the next one. All right, the reason I chose this site here today, as you can see the construction right up there by them cattails. There used to be an old home. Shows up on an 1876 atlas. You can find pieces of pottery and broken glass out here and brick. You can see a piece right there. So I hadn't found much here. Some aluminum. Got that wheat penny from 1918 and that little ring. I'm sure there's more here, but I didn't charge my battery on the Minelab up there in the upper left hand corner, and I've been hunting out here for the last hour and a half with one battery bar, and I'm pretty sure it's getting weak. I'm losing some depth. A lot of the stuff's on the surface, so I will charge the battery up and see you on the next hunt. Hello everyone, I just wanted to add this little piece in before I close this video out. I came back to this site because I found that Native American arrowhead in the hopes of finding some more, because we had some heavy rain last night, so I figured it would uncover something. No luck today, but I do have some upcoming videos. I plan on doing some water hunting next week. I have a couple old areas picked out, a lot of old home sites on some atlases from the 1800s. Never water hunted really, so I plan on getting down in a local creek pretty close to me and seeing what I can find. So stay tuned. See you next time.